Hey guys, my name is Nazza Crypto, and today I want to talk about HBAR, aka Hedera, because in my opinion, this could be one of the biggest coins starting next bull run. So in this video, I'm going to talk about all the latest updates. I'm going to talk about all the bullish news. And of course, in the end of the video, I will give you my price prediction for the HBAR. And of course, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Not a financial advice. So I found this really great article where they talk about HBAR and all the achievements they managed to achieve in the year 2023. So first of all, I want to go through all of these milestones one by one and explain why I think this could be really bullish and what really makes Hedera HBAR unique compared to other competitors. The first thing and the first big news that HBAR had this year is Hyundai and Kia embrace Hedera. So in August of the year 2023, so not that long ago, two automotive giants, Hyundai and Kia, ventured into the world of blockchain by embracing the Hedera network. And this is actually a really big thing because these companies are really well established. And if you follow automotive companies, Hyundai and Kia are actually super progressive. They're doing lots of AI, they're doing lots of automation. And I think these collaborations are more than just a PR move. I think these collaborations go way deeper and actually do make sense in the long run. So their partnership with Hedera introduces a CO2 emission monitoring system. This system, based on Hedera network, was developed to track carbon emissions in the supply chain using AI technology. So that's why I'm talking about it. And of course, this example could push more and more companies because now there's lots of Chinese automotive companies launching. This could push more and more companies to actually partner with Hedera, which is of course really bullish and of course helps with the price push for the early investors. And let's move to the step number 2 or news number 2. So Dell joins Hedera Governing Council. Again, really big news. I have to mark it green. Computer manufacturer Dell joined Hedera Governing Council in February. This strategic partnership aims to develop a centralized application catering to Dell customers in the blockchain and Web3 sphere. Dell is a big player. All of these companies are racing for Web3. Some of these companies are just throwing these words like metaverse, Web3, blockchain. But of course, these partnerships are really good for the project and of course helps with the publicity. And of course, a really great partnership for both. So for example, Dell's collaboration with Hedera opens doors to development of applications for faster, efficient data processing near the source, promising a transformative technology landscape. So again, this is really bullish. And of course, yes, there's lots of competitors for HBAR, Hedera, but I think they're different in a way because they're working with the really established and super big brands and doing this really successfully for a long time. After that, of course, there was some negatives this year. So the first one was the smart contract exploit, and it happened on the March 10th. And yeah, it happens. And there's the one big issue, I think, that the amount of tokens stolen is still undisclosed. So I do like projects that are more transparent, but of course, yeah, shit happens. Let's move to the number 4. So launch of Asia's first digital carbon register on Hedera. So August 28 marked a significant milestone for HBAR as it was pivotal launching of the Global Climate Register, GCR, Asia's first digital carbon register. Given the region's substantial contribution to global's CO2 emissions, a local carbon register was paramount. Again, really great use case. Really big partnership and of course really makes sense. You can see all these tweets. Next up, Fresh Supply Co migrates to Hedera. In a strategic move, HBAR Foundation announced the migration of Fresh Supply Co, a significant user of MasterCard Provenance and partner of Commonwealth Bank, to the public Hedera network. You can see the tweet they posted. I don't even think I need to explain this stuff, but I just want to go through all of these steps before we check the price and check the future of this project. So hang on with me. After that, FedNow and Drop collaboration. So this is again really big. So the US federal instant payment platform FedNow integrated Drop, which is a Hedera-based micropayment platform. After that, number 7, LG Art elevates digital art world accessibility. So basically NFTs. I'm not a big fan of this news, but yeah, they have LG. So yeah, sounds good. And of course, again, really established company, huge company, big partnership. After that, SCB, TechX, and Hedera pioneering stablecoin, Remnants POC. And I think this one, the 9th one, is pretty big one. So Hedera empowers stablecoin issuance with a stablecoin studio. So actually Hedera announced this stablecoin studio not that long ago. You can see September 13. Organizations worldwide gain access to the stablecoin studio, which is an open source stablecoin issuance and management toolkit on the Hedera network. And this is actually a really big news. And I think lots of YouTubers, people on Twitter missed this news, which is really bullish and actually kind of pushed the price of Hedera up, which is a good sign because it means some people actually noticed, but I feel like not enough people, which is actually a good thing for people watching this video because I think, yeah, Hedera has a crazy big market cap. It's one of the top coins. People talk about it, but I think we're still pretty early because everyday retail investor, if you ask like someone on the street, nobody knows about it, which means there's an opportunity. And after that, number 10, Andrew Atkins leads Hedera to transition to full open source Web3 platform. This is good, nothing really groundbreaking. So overall, basically the Hedera network has reached a new activity-based milestone, reaching 20 billion transactions on its mainnet. This is huge, guys. According to the project's official Twitter account, as of now, the mainnet has seen 23.2 billion transactions. Again, really big number. And I would say it's battle tested. It works. People like it. So to me, Hedera did a lot of stuff this year, and the year is not done. And the company and the project is continuing building utility, building additional products. You can see the stablecoin studio, building really big mainstream partnerships. And I think next year, during the bull run, we will see the price hike. And now let's jump into the fun part, to the coin market cap and check out the Hedera price. So at the moment, the coin is at 4 cents, so 0.045. And the one thing you need to know about Hedera when you jump into this coin, when you do your own research, is the circulating supply. You can see at the moment only 66% is circulating, which is not great, guys. I'm not gonna lie, this is not great. Of course, you would like to see a number which is 100. So you can see the total supply right here. But what's bullish? That the volume, you can see 24 hours ago, the volume is up 10%. So, of course, you can see the bull run, the coin reached, 10x, more than 10x from the price we have right now. So now I'll explain what I think. So in my eyes, the product is top notch. I think, 10 out of 10, they're building, they have big partnerships. Next up, they have lots of hype. So if you check YouTube, if you check Twitter, Telegram, lots of people are talking about it. And this is a good sign. It means they have the community. They have their main users, main community really set, which is a good sign because once we have the bull run, of course, lots of people are going to be watching the YouTube videos, looking for answers, looking for the next 100x coin. And Hedera HBAR will have it. So basically, I do like buying these coins more on the social signal side, not like just drawing the lines, technical analysis and buying it blindly. I think it's all about looking at the market from the side, looking at the social media, looking at all of these wars happening right now, and making decisions that way. So in my opinion, at the moment, HBAR is undervalued. Yes, the market cap is pretty big, but I think it's super undervalued. And in the short term, I feel like this project can do 4x. In the long term, I would say 20x really possible. If you jump in actually to compare the market caps and compare it to AVAX, you can see now it's 2x. But if you go to AVAX all-time high, it's 20x from the HBAR right now. So in my eyes, this is an easy 10 to 15x project. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. And I want to remind you, guys, please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be talking about more of these gems. I'm going to be talking about HBAR. I'm going to be talking about Kaspa and all of these projects. And of course, leave your price predictions in my comments. See you in the next one.